G'day everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys. For those of you who've been around for a little while, you'll know that I've been really wanting to do a show or a festival. Over the past year I've really been looking forward to doing this, and then there's this tiny little hiccup came along and sort of threw my plans under a bus. It's like a worldwide pandemic thing. Most of shows have been cancelled and everything like that. Aside from the football, that's still happening. But all jokes aside, I really was looking forward to doing a show this year, and it didn't end up happening. But one of the things that I wanted to do at this said show was to launch something very, very personal to me. It's something that my brother's been helping me out with as well. It's been a massive, he's been the main driving force behind this, and if he wasn't helping me out, I probably would have not done this for another few years, if at all. So thank you very much, Greg, for all of your help throughout this entire process. What is it that I'm talking about? I'm talking about merchandise. Ta-da! Yes, we have merchandise. Look at it. I'm so excited about this. This is one of his designs, and without him, I probably would have, first of all, the merchandise would suck, but second of all, once again, I would have probably never gotten around to doing it. I'm very, very excited about doing this. So currently we only have 5 different designs, but there are more on the way. So if you want to help support the channel, and if you want to help support my brother, go have a look, see whether or not there's anything that you like. There's a link in the description, or if you can't access it currently, Spreadshirt, and look for the Crafted by Tim page. So this is his design. This is called Beats for a Blacksmith. We also have Stay Safe, Happy Crafting. And of course, we also have the I Am the Original Power Hammer in both black, white, and red. Yes, both of those, all 3 colors. And varying backgrounds, because you should be able to pick whatever color you want this to be on. Apparently Spreadshirt is adding stickers, so there's going to be stickers as well, but in the meantime you can still pick yourself up a nice hoodie. So this hoodie is the unisex color block hoodie. It is actually fantastic. It's super comfy to wear. And one of the cool things about it is the pockets. It not only has just your regular hand pocket, but it also has a phone pocket. It's such a simple design, but it's such a nice little addition. You can always get yourself nice shirts. We also have singlets or tank tops, and we've even got phone cases and mugs. And when I say we have mugs, we have travel mugs, and we also have enamel mugs, which is awesome. And the reason why I wanted to use Spreadshirt is because we have enamel mugs. These are great for the workshop. They're also great for camping. Use them whenever. They're great because they don't break. But we also have other things like aprons and hats. So I'm sure there will be something there for everyone, even the kids. There's all kids shirts. So make sure that you head on over to the Spreadshirt store. I'm sure you'll find something that you'll like. Hey, Christmas is not too far away. Maybe you can order a few Christmas things for everybody that you know that's a blacksmith, or everybody that isn't a blacksmith that you think would make a great blacksmith. Anyway, that's my shameless self-promotion. I will catch you all in the next episode. In the meantime, do remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.